Hi, let's sell domains right now and make some money. This is how. I'm going to find an available premium domain and I'm going to sell it using one simple system right now. I'm going to take you from start to finish. Just select a start word and an ending word. If you can find a 2-syllable, 2-word domain, especially in these niches that are known monetizers, you're in the money. So here, I found a good one, expertsalesman.com. It's an actual thing. Look, you could spend 40 hours and not even finding one premium domain if you like, but this will cut it down to 10 minutes. Something valuable that you can sell for a profit. So after acquiring the domain, I'm going to go into my GoDaddy account and I'm going to add it to premium listing. I mean, it's up to you. Spend $300 on a domain listing at Flippa if you like. This doesn't cost you anything other than your initial domain registration. The marketplace is all you need. So now we're back in the Domainer Elite 2.0 marketplace and it's time to list the domain for sale, where all of the other users and hungry buyers of Domainer Elite 2.0 will see it. It's super simple to sell directly inside the Domainer Elite 2.0 marketplace. And using premium listings, you can sell from $50 for a super easy and quick sale, or take your time and get the most out of your domain. Okay, so we've listed our domain. Let's see if the other users might purchase. You'll be able to find hundreds, maybe even thousands of domains using all of our word lists in the software. So you'll have enough inventory to last you a long time, no matter what. And while I look for more domains, we watch our listed domains sold. Stay tuned for more Domainer Elite 2.0 videos and looking to make your domain investing business take off.